hope you're doing well and be safe in this situation. I'm going to talk about a new application or that exists for a while maybe. I'm just find it. The name is Lobe.ai that actually help you to do the image classification, and it kind of works with Azure and other platform that we have in .NET. So let's see that how it works. So first you need to go to Lobe.ai, so that's one, and then download the application from there. So you just click on download, provide some information, and then you see a on-premises one, so you can train your images and do the image classification without connecting to the AI builder or the other one. So let's see that how it actually work. So I'm going to create a new project over here. I call it as headset image classification, and then I'm going to add some images. So to do that, I have option to kind of import it from my local machine, from camera, or from existing data set. I'm going to get it from camera. So first of all, I'm going to get it, so I need to stop my camera from here. So I choose that one. I set my camera as here, and I'm going to take a pictures. First, I'm set no headset. So I'm going to take some picture with headset. I can take a picture like this, or I can take a, if I hold take for a, actually for a couple of minutes, second, it's going to take a couple of picture. So I'm going to do that in different directions. So that's all pictures. That's, I don't have any kind of headset. Now I'm going to add some others from camera. So I put on my camera here, my headsets are here. So I call it headset. Oh, good. So for the each one, I should have at least 5 different ones. So as I just provide the images, is going to start training based on the images that I provide over here. So you will see that is actually is going to Lobe starting to train your model. It definitely take a couple of time, and kind of based on the images that is fine, is provide a training about how much is accurate and how much is not. Okay, so as you can see, it's finished, but I'm going to make sure that, so as you see, it says 50% of images are predicted correctly and the rest not. So let's try to click on use to see that how we can test it. So here in the image, it's tell me no headset. I said yep. And again, this one is no headset. Oh, and then I'm going to put the headset. This one, no headset. This one. Then so it's actually, as you can see, we can improve that one to see that is good or not. So we can improve it by providing more images. So I just try to make it a bit better. So it's start to do the training again here. And so yep, so we should wait till is actually finish the training. Still isn't training per kind of process. So you see that you can actually improve the training over here. So now after it's finished, you can, after the training is finished, you can actually export the result to the application that you want. So for example, if you are going to design a web application, you can actually use there are some things actually some documents and some Python codes that you can actually embed in there. So for example, you can use your model in a Python app, and after you download it, is actually give you for the code that actually with a Python code and everything that you can see that this provide an example over here. I'll just open it with Node 1 so you can see that. So it's actually provide you all of the detail that you can embed it in your application. So this is the kind of the local one. You can actually host it in Lobe Connect that actually it should be in the same network over there, and it's very easy. Just call the application and you can use it. In next video I will show you how you can use the Lobe in other application. Thanks so much for watching this video.